waking up every day just to get through the day, for the sake of living, and even more for the paychecks. Do you feel the same? Smiling on the outside, but crying inside. No one knows. You're really on the verge of collapse. Endless meetings, never-ending reports from dawn to dusk, a routine on endless repeat. Scrolling through your phone, but still unsure what you're running from or searching for. Until one day, you see a poster and a voice inside says,
"Maybe I should try once more."
That one simple action became the turning point of her life.
I want to become a better version of myself. I can be reborn through love. I can cheer for myself.
She began to understand that to attain happiness, self-nourishment is key. She started following what the master said: practice, train, and verify through experience. People need to learn abundantly every minute to find a way out. She set out again with the energy of love, changed herself, and influenced those around her. Love and gratitude became her most powerful life codes. She never imagined this journey would bring such a beautiful transformation. Dear friend, are you tired too? Light a star within for yourself. On September 28th, we sincerely invite you to join our Mind, Body, Soul Nourishment Workshop. Let's find inner peace and strength together.